Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my Shop Miss A haul, and this is gonna be kind of like the holiday edition because when I was buying stuff from Shop Miss A, I was thinking about what to get for my coworkers. So hopefully they're not watching, otherwise they might know what I'm getting them. Here's the bag, and I love this Tiffany blue, you know it. I mean, it's just truly Shop Miss A. This whole bag right here, guys, full of so many items, is probably like $25 or $30. I don't think I paid for shipping. If you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Let's get started with a little bit of makeup because I was so excited about this look. It's kind of like a grungy. I gotta change that song to like the Christmas holiday songs. Anyways, I have this grungy look, and yet I have like the cutest sweater ever, Tweety Bird. That's okay. We love Tweety Bird. Anyways, so on my face today, really very minimal eyeshadow, but again, from my nude palette or nude rich palette from Huda Beauty. I got this in my advent calendar. I think it's the Feel Unique advent calendar. So I've been really loving this. I think this is the perfect holiday palette, guys. The red here is super pigmented and it is so good on my skin tone, like the color of my skin. It just pops. So I have that on my crease and also on my lash line. For my highlighter, it is the Ofra Cosmetics Beverly Hills highlighter. Looks like this. And I like this because it has a variety of highlighters. So all types of colors. So it just depends on what you feel that day. And I'm trying to remember which one I put. Oh, I wanted it to be blingy. So I put this really bright white highlighter and this kind of champagne gold highlighter together. So let's put a little bit more real quick. Yeah. Just a little bit. May as well go all out. And then, you know what? I'm going to put this in my inner corner because I forgot to do that. But I love Ofra highlighters. They are so blingy. And then I have an oldie but a goodie, the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores blush. Don't be afraid of this blush, guys. But I got this in my other advent calendar from last year. I've been really loving it. I mean, you can tone it down or really pack on the blush for color. I love that it doesn't come off as super pigmented. You can build up to it. That's what I have. And the star of the show, I think I did this makeup look based on this lipstick. I have the Smashbox liquid lipstick. And it looks like a very grungy reddish brown liquid lipstick. I love the formula. It's not drying. It's a comfortable matte. All right, let's get to the haul, guys. So if you guys haven't heard of Shop Miss A, it is an online retail store. They were known for selling very affordable makeup, but now they have so many accessories and anything and everything that you can think of. They're pretty much selling it on their website for like $1.88 or 50 cents. I mean, literally super cheap. I'll try my best to put the pricing of each item that I got on the bottom of the screen somewhere. I can't remember them, but most likely the most expensive one here is probably $1.88. When you get the Shop Miss A bag, you have, you know, the blue Tiffany bag, and then it is well sealed in this airtight container right here. So there's a sneak peek of the items that I got. Super amazing packaging. The first thing that I got is a bag hanging hook. And I remember my cousin got me this a long time ago, and I haven't seen it since. And so I got I got a couple of hooks because when you eat at restaurants, see, look at this picture right here. So that's where you kind of put the hook on the table and then hang your purse. I love these kinds of hooks. So I thought you know what, this is a perfect stocking stuffer or like a gift item that you could give to your coworkers. Next one is the AOA brush cleaner. Oh, okay. It's one of those where you're like, yeah, it's definitely $1.88. Very cheaply made, but I will definitely be using this. They're trying to be more like the color switch brush cleaner. You just swirl your eyeshadow brush in here and it's supposed to clean it off, and then you can dip into another color if you'd like. Speaking of AOA, I have done an AOA foundation review. It's a $1.88 foundation. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss that video because I do have some thoughts and opinions about it. So with the AOA foundation, I thought I would get the full coverage AOA Studio liquid concealer. So I got this in the color, who knows what color. Okay, this is nude. So I figured this is perfect under the eyes. I wasn't sure what color to get. I think I got the nude and the one darker than that. We'll get to it. Next one is the It Girl headband. So I was thinking like for my friends or coworkers, I could build like a spa bag or gift bag, and it could have some mask with this little cute ribbon right here. So I got a couple of these. Keep one for myself. I mean, let's be for reals. Here's another It Girl. So I don't know, comment down below which pattern you like. And I personally like the headbands that aren't so wide, so I think I might keep this one. It's super cute, polka dots. This one doesn't have a tag, so I'm not sure where it's from, and I kind of wish they were individually packaged in a bag. I also got the purple polka dot one. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? If you guys don't know, I've been reviewing foundations, and so I thought I would review another foundation from AOA, and this is the Pro Wear foundation. Supposedly the matte counterpart of the other foundation that I reviewed. I'll link my foundation review up here or over here. Other one that I reviewed was a satin finish, but for all of you full coverage gals, I've got you covered. So we're gonna try this next time. By the way, I do have the AOA satin finish foundation on my face right now, and it's looking really good. So next item that I pulled out, I feel like this is super duper useful. These are Paw Paw cup covers, and I've got some blue ones for my coworkers. I have some pink ones. So super cute. You put this on top of your coffee cup, and then it just kind of locks in and seals the mugs. I think this is gonna keep their drinks warm longer as well. I've been loving the one I kept, so I thought that would be another gifting idea. I bought a couple more. And then I wasn't sure what color concealer to get, so I also got the soft tan. And I figured if this was gonna be too dark, I could use it as a contour. I love darker shades of concealers to hide blemishes and any hyperpigmentation on the face. I got another AOA brush cleaner, which I'm planning to put in a giveaway. Another Paw Paw cup cover. Okay. And these super duper cute reindeer hair clips. And I'm planning to wear this to school, to work. And I got one for my daughter as well. I hope it's a good one. Let's see. Very festive, right? I like it. I mean, not bad. Okay, so I can't wait to use that, and it will look especially cute on my daughter. Next, I got some brushes, again from AOA. I think AOA is like the makeup line from shopmissa. I got a concealer brush, and I also got a foundation brush, so kind of like a flat kabuki foundation. First impressions, guys, it feels super soft. I don't see any shedding. I'm gonna put the price right here. I'm curious, I think it's $1.88. If not, this is probably $3, and that's it. It feels light. Hopefully it lasts long. So we'll see. But these bristles are super duper soft. So here are the different bag clips that I got. Like a marbleized purple. This is the one that is, I don't know how to describe this. Oh, I like this one, the black one. If you look closely, it has like an outline of a woman's face and some flowers. Oh, I wish I got more of these. I think this has to be my most favorite haul from Shop Miss A. These red holiday earrings. I can't wait to try this. I have an upcoming video, guys, and I think it's okay to announce it. A very, very fun holiday collab with some of the best YouTubers that you've ever known. And I might just wear these. What do you guys think? Let's see. I think this is gonna look super cute. Some more Paw cup covers. It sits on top of your mug. Always wanted to try these. It's a mask brush. So I think this is made of silicone, flat silicone bristle, and it's great at picking up the mask and just spreading it evenly on your face. This pink reminds me of like Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are really good quality brushes that are usually found in BoxyCharm. And BoxyCharm is a subscription box that I used to have. If you don't know, I stopped some of my subscription boxes because I was buying all these advent calendars. If you are curious about certain advent calendars, I have a playlist of them, and I'll make sure to link them up here or down in the description box below. I am loving this so far. Okay, the next one is the Mochi Wonder Blender. Okay, so when I was looking at the AOA website, they had 3 kinds of beauty blenders or makeup sponges. One was soft, one was kind of hard, the black one, and then this purple one. So I had the black one. I have the super soft one, which is absolutely better than the $20 beauty blender at Sephora. So I can't wait to try this. Comment down below if you'd like me to do a video on all of the AOA makeup sponges and kind of compare them, pros and cons, because each of them also has their own unique shape. So each sponge is used for maybe certain parts of your face. Let me know if you'd like me to review these makeup sponges. All right, so that is it, guys. That is my entire Shop Miss A haul. Comment down below what your favorite item is that I've shown you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Join the family. There's always so much to learn here on my channel. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving with your family or friends. Comment down below how you're celebrating Thanksgiving this year. My family and I are going to be running, kind of like the Run to Feed the Hungry, but on a smaller scale in my community. So I'm excited for that. We are not runners, so say a little prayer for me and my family. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.